Okay, I am just going to wade right in to the hornworm controversy. Now is the time of year when gardening influencers make all these videos about hornworms destroying their tomatoes and getting rid of hornworms. But before you decide to kill all of the hornworms, let me plead their case and give you a very simple solution. Hornworms are the larval form of a hummingbird moth.
They are only larvae for 2 to 3 weeks on average, and in fact, by the time they're this size, they are going to pupate within days. Yes, during that time, they may eat the leaves of your tomato plants and other nightshades,
but generally, in a home garden, the damage is really minor and the plants do recover because they're really only active for a very short period of time. What you may not know is that hornworms are actually a really important food source for birds raising their chicks. In fact, for a pair of songbirds to raise a clutch of just 4 chicks, they have to find between 5,000 and 9,000 caterpillars to feed those chicks until they fledge. That is a lot of caterpillars, and a hornworm is a big protein and fat rich source of food for baby chicks. So what should you do if you find hornworms in your garden? First, just wait and watch. Is there actually a lot of damage to your plants? I will tell you, in all the years that I have been growing tomatoes, I have never actually killed a hornworm. But if you are having a lot of damage or you have a lot of hornworms, here's my solution. Plant Nicotiana. Nicotiana is also a member of the nightshade family, just like tomatoes. And you can just pluck off those hornworms and move them to the Nicotiana. They will eat the leaves, they will then pupate, and then they'll come back as hummingbird moths and they will enjoy the nectar in those Nicotiana flowers. Or maybe they'll end up as a snack for baby birds. Either way, it's a win-win. Hornworms are not out to destroy your tomatoes.
They're just living out their life cycle, and understanding their life cycle can help you make better decisions for your garden. If you have questions or comments, drop them below and I'll be sure to answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Happy gardening.